In this video, we'll show you how to get started with the Cloud-Native Contrail Networking web UI that helps you manage your clusters efficiently and intuitively. After you log into your cluster, you'll see the main UI page called the dashboard. The dashboard houses dashlets, which are visual aspects of your cluster representing data collected through specific API queries. The menu on the left side of the screen contains all the categories of pages. As a convenience, you can click the star icon next to any listing, which adds that page to the favorites category shown here. The two tabs at the top of the dashboard are default features. The Observability tab displays cluster health, count, and traffic dashlets. The Troubleshoot tab displays cluster alert dashlets. To create a custom tab, click the plus icon at the top right of the screen. For this demo, I'll name the tab Pod Usage. A scrollable carousel appears that contains all available dashlets. Click the All Widgets drop-down menu and choose the Usage category. We can narrow down the results by entering Pod into the search field. These results fit with our Pod Usage tab. Drag each dashlet into the tab. Let's now customize a dashlet. On the Transmit Bytes Intensive Pods dashlet, click the refresh icon to ensure we are seeing the most current data snapshot. This refresh icon on the upper right of our tab will refresh all the tab dashlets at once. Click the pencil icon to edit the dashlet. We can change the title of the dashlet, choose a chart type, and configure data interval settings. Click the plus icon above the graph to bring up the filtering options. In the Value drop-down menu, for this demo, we'll choose the Contrail Control 0 pod to view transmitting data traffic. Click the plus icon again and add a namespace for comparison. This context tells the dashlet to display data transmission information for all pods within that namespace. Hover over a result to see the exact number of bytes per second the pod or namespace is transmitting. Click Save to confirm the dashlet changes. Next, let's explore the Grafana feature. Grafana dashboards provide detailed cluster information for efficient troubleshooting and are displayed through CN2 dashlets. Let's create another tab and name it Grafana. Click the All Widgets drop-down menu and choose the Custom category. In the All Widgets carousel, drag the displayed Grafana dashlet onto the new tab. Log into the Grafana web UI with your Grafana credentials. In the menu on the left, navigate to Dashboards and select Browse. Let's choose CN2 Cluster Health from the list. Click the CPU drop-down menu and choose Share. On the Share panel, click the Embed tab and then click the Copy to Clipboard button. Back at the CN2 web UI, click the pencil icon in the Grafana dashlet. Paste the embed code into the iframe tag code field and then click Save. The Grafana dashboard displays in the dashlet. Repeat this process for further Grafana dashboards. In the menu on the left side of the screen, go to the Monitoring category and choose Alerts. This dashboard provides alerts such as CPU usage by pod or bandwidth usage per node for any configurable resource in CN2. Under the Configure CN2 category, choose the Virtual Network Topologies page. This is a top-down view of your cluster. Select a network component and click View Details for information about that component. The Legend menu at the bottom left of the page contains topology icons. Clicking List View in the upper right and then clicking the Add tab, you can add or edit multiple VN YAMLs simultaneously and in real time using the built-in editor. After you click Save, the changes immediately take effect. To learn more, see the links below this video.